Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, all the windows in the rain is pouring. It'll always be Christmas in my heart, but this year Happy festive season, everyone. I hope you're all doing very good. I hope you're feeling a little bit healthier than I'm feeling at the moment. Don't you worry, I've done all the tests, everything, nothing to be concerned about. I've literally just got a flu, or as I like to call it, the bubonic plague. I have not been this ill in a very long time. Today I feel like I've got even the smallest amount of energy to actually get out of bed for a second. So if you're expecting me to look presentable at all across this video, honeybee, you've got another thing coming. Got out of bed today because I have got a 7-foot Christmas tree in my hallway, which means one thing and one thing only. We're decorating the humble abode of Flo Dog Millionaire for Christmas. Woo! Yay! I have never had freedom to decorate an apartment for Christmas before, and obviously this is my first year living on my own, and I'm a big Christmas girl. If you couldn't tell, this is the salted caramel Zara home candle, and it smells like a bakery. I've always said that when I'm older and I'm retired, I'd love to have a bakery. Maybe learn to crochet as well. Over the next couple days as well, I'm going to be going out around London, just having some nice festive days, buying some Christmas decorations, putting them around my flat, and I'm so excited to take all of you guys along with me. I think it's time to get the bad boy out of the box. I'm thinking this is the area where the Christmas tree is going to go. I hate this corner anyway. I hate that there's like a Dior bag there. Nothing about this is fun, fly, or sexy. So I'm actually very excited to say good riddance to this. I don't know what to do with this corner anyway once the Christmas tree is gone. I'm thinking a big tall faux plant. I ordered one recently, but they kept saying they delivered it, but bitch wire. And here we have my wonderful Christmas tree, a 7-foot Vienna spruce, pre-lit. She'd been pre-drinking or whatever. And then I also got a tree skirt as well. I really went all out. And if at any point you wonder, is that a security tag on her dressing gown? You would be correct. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family. Really poorly. Fireplace served its purpose for a minute, but there's an Ellie Derby vlogmas waiting for me in my subscription box. Sorry girls. Oh my god, soundtrack to my life. I really should not be dancing around like that with scissors in my hands. Oh my god, it's a Christmas tree. It's like a proper Christmas tree. Oh my god, it's my own Christmas tree. How the fuck do I set this up? What am I doing? Bloody hell, it's heavy. I need a star. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. Ow! I'm definitely gonna set something on fire at some point. Place your bets right now. It could be me, it could be the Christmas tree.
Yeah, you'll see the Derby sisters in tomorrow's vlog. We have 48 hours.
The thing is, I'm such an impatient person that like I can never do these things properly. I just kind of assemble and hope for the best. Feeling festive and intense. How am I supposed to know which bit is for which? What is with all these cables? Oh, I think I understand, guys. I think it has the number of the tree thing on the base. Yay, we're getting somewhere. Whilst as much as I would love to share this entire journey with you, I also think I would actually send you to sleep because it's going to be quite repetitive. So we're going to do a fun little transition and I'll see you when it's all set up. Ooh. Oh my gosh, a Christmas festive fever dream. Lydia Bayless playing in the background. Sorry Lydia babe, kind of did you dirty with that pause. But isn't she just so pretty? I still need to put the tree skirt on it, but it's literally the perfect height. As I said, I haven't actually got a star yet. I feel like the branches also need a bit more of a zhuzh so that I can fill up the sort of blank spots, but I'm sure once I put my decorations on it, they won't be too noticeable anyway. It's my first time with a Christmas tree, okay? Please don't be mean to me. I really tried. She is ginormous, 7 foot. Not gonna lie, when I was assembling it, I was actually kind of scared that I wasn't gonna, like, it wasn't gonna fit in my apartment. brain scramble, sorry. I was kind of scared it wasn't gonna fit in my apartment, like it would be too high and touch the ceiling, but I think she's the perfect match and I love her so much. I went into H&M Home the other day and I picked up loads of these gorgeous ornaments. They didn't have too many in there, so I just sort of like picked up a few of the staple ones, and then I'm gonna plan on going into Liberties or maybe Anthropology and getting some really special ones. My mum has had the same Christmas decorations since she was literally like 25, and we still have them on our tree every single year, and I really want to do that. I really want to like keep the same Christmas decorations all through my life and then be something really nostalgic. I'm going for very traditional colors. I basically just want it to be like the tree I have at home. I just think these are so gorgeous. I think it's coming together. Ooh. I've been shopping. Oh, I seem to be in a weird box. I'm in a weird box, send me out. Just a quick little message from Flossie from the future to say a huge thank you to Casetify, yay! For sponsoring this part of the video. Casetify is my favorite phone case brand ever. You guys know this. I actually already have a Casetify on right now. And I'm here to tell you about their new customizable charm phone cases. I've got two here. They both say Floss on. They're customizable with up to 5 letters or numbers. And the letters come in matte gold or a matte black. How cool is this one, guys? I think the matte black on the black is very Kylie Jenner of me. And as you can see, there's a strap as well, so it's like super easy to hold and use your phone. Healthy. Not looking like this, I don't think so. It's cruelty-free leather and also dual function, so you can actually prop it up like this. How convenient. All of Casetify's products are sent in 100% recyclable packaging, and they're printed with soybean. I'm gonna have all the information you need on screen here, as well as in the description box, about how you guys can get discount at Casetify. Things like this make such an incredible gift, especially for dad. I feel like this is a pretty cool present for your dad. It's giving me kind of energy, you know. Dad's like practicalities, right? And the brown case as well. Brown is very trendy. Brown is that girl. Have you seen that girl trend going around at the moment? You have a brown and gold case and you are that girl. Casetify phone cases are always just the most protective, wonderful, look the best on your phone. I've dropped my phone so many times in Casetify and I never have to worry about picking it back up. But yeah, thanks so much to Casetify for sponsoring this little part of the video. And without further ado, let's get back into it. I'm not gonna lie to you girls, it is a couple of days later. This illness, honestly, it's been really taking it out of me. And when I'm going and doing all this Christmas shopping, I'm doing it on my own, and it's a lot to juggle bags and the camera, and when I can't even talk as it is, and I'm wearing a mask in the shops, it just physically was not very possible for me. Any breaths that I could get in between the hustle and bustle, I was using to cough. But yesterday I actually went into central London to do some Christmas shopping. Oh my god, he's chilling. Your feet not freezing. Oh shit. No! My fucking bag just broke. All I want for Christmas is you. I went to a few different shops such as Liberty's, John Lewis. I even went into Selfridges. I also went into H&M Home and I had a real good look around. I like my really classic dark reds, golds, greens, bronzes maybe if I'm feeling a little bit spicy, but I found so many of the decorations were like so silvery or quite luxe looking, and that is just not really my vibe. But I was successful in Liberty's, and oh god, Liberty's, if you didn't know, if you haven't been to London before, it's a really beautiful department store. They're really famous for like their materials and the prints that they have on their materials. I think it's called haberdashery. If you are coming to London, you've never been here before, you definitely have to go. It's so gorgeous inside. So yes, I got the angel wings, and then I also got this gorgeous little was that a goat? I also got this gorgeous deer. That's not a reindeer, is that? It could be. You never know. What's the difference between a reindeer and a deer? That they fly? Is that it? I mean, reindeer don't exist, do they? Am I really stupid to... Anyway, I got a few of these sweet little flower-like, maybe hat-like ornaments that I just thought were wonderful, and I just... it gets me going. I have been so patient, guys, to not put these on my tree. I really hope you can appreciate that. You can actually see a sneak peek in the back. Then I went into Urban Outfitters and bought things completely unrelated to Christmas. I got a really nice dress and a bra and pants that are pink and sparkly and have roses on them. Delightful. Then today I headed out into Westfields. I went into Zara Home. Zara Home had so many incredible bits in. If you're looking for Christmas stuff, I would 10 out of 10 recommend. Honestly though, I think if you're looking for Christmas stuff, just try and order as much as you can online. It will save you such a hassle. I got a salted caramel reed diffuser because I have the candle of it and I'm just so obsessed with it, so I thought this would be really nice to have. I say in my bedroom, but if you've been watching me for a while, you'll know me and reed diffusers is just so cursed. But anyway, she smells like Christmas bake shops. I got so many ornaments from Zara Home. I just think this is incredible. The sparkle on the gal, my mum would love these. She's very into her sparkles. Another one I got from Zara Home. I also love the red tiles. I think they're really special. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. I then also got this really sweet little star ornament from Zara Home. I got a few of sort of each ornament I picked up. I feel like 3 is a good number. Like 3 of each decoration is good, because then if you don't like the way it looks on the tree, actually no, if you don't like the way it looks on the tree, then you got 3 of them. Is that everything I got? I think it is, but I've actually already set something up over there because I knew it was going to take ages and I actually had to plug my camera in. So I'm going to put these on my tree. Maybe I'll time lapse it for you. Oh no, I've got to cut all the labels. I don't know why, but cutting labels just is the biggest chore of life to me. There are so many other things I could be doing whilst I cut the label. Okay, no one cares. Let's get these on the tree! You could not make this up. Instead of cutting the label, I cut the thing that you hang it. These are Liberties as well. They're very expensive. Flossie! Why are you like this? I also took all my extensions out the other night, so please don't talk to me about my hair. Yes, I did have a cry about it because basically half of it has fallen out since I bleached it, so serves me right. Brunette will be making an appearance once this grows out. Oh my god, trying to retie this with nails as well. Problem for another day. We'll be making that mistake again. These like scent stick things from John Lewis that you put inside your tree and it makes it smell like a real Christmas tree, and I can confirm my tree does smell like a real Christmas tree with a bit of cinnamon as well, because I got cinnamon ones as well. Get the gist of what I'm doing, so We're gonna do a tree transition. And... Ooh, oh my gosh, guys. This is my first ever Christmas setup and my heart is so full. I mean, I've literally done the bare minimum. Whilst the video may be kind of concluding here, I've got a little bit more to show you. The Christmas decorating will not, and I'll make sure to keep you updated in some way or another. Who knows, maybe I'll film another decorate with me for Christmas, because I really want some garlands along here and then also some garlands along the top of this bit here. I've also got this part of my kitchen, which I'm not gonna lie, I actually just think is fucking atrocious. The ring light is really adding to it as well. I tried, okay, the thought was there, but the execution was not. I mean, I'm enjoying like this bit, just not this bit. I also think I need like a string of fairy lights, maybe even inside the vase, because it actually has these sort of speckles on it that are see-through, so the light would poke through. Or maybe I just put a really big candle in, but then even that would look a bit weird. I think maybe just fill it up with some fairy lights, or I don't know. Let me know, help me out, because this really needs some help. It's not, I don't know why I thought, like, what the I'm really serving in this video. Like, what is going on here? This is from Zara Home, by the way, and then this is from H&M Home. It's just a permanent part of their collection. All of this is from H&M Home as well. You can't really see, but these are kind of shiny and metallic and hideous. Hideous. I hate it. But then panning over to my Christmas euphoria. I haven't shown you guys this yet. I got this from Zara Home. Also tuck the label under because I've got better things to be doing than cutting labels out. Honestly, half my clothes that I wear have the fucking labels in them. I don't know why I do it. I thought this looks cute, just with some candles in the middle. It's just a little summon. And then the pièce de résistance, my gorgeous tree. I can't tell you how much this fills my soul with joy. I also want to get some like red blankets and stuff for my sofa. I feel like it could tie in anyway because I've got a red cushion there. It's raining outside. This is my beautiful Christmas tree with all of my gorgeous, stunning, wonderful decorations on it, which I just love so much. This is my first ever Christmas tree, guys. It's a really special moment. We have my decapitated angel wings, which maybe we'll leave them like that for the rest of time. And one day my kids will go, "Mommy, why does this one have no string?" I'll go, "Because when Mummy was 20 and she lived on her own, she was a silly bitch and cut it off." So guys, that is my apartment. I feel like this has taken a silly amount of time for the amount that I've done. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Nonetheless, it's definitely got me a little bit more festive. Do you know what though? It is hard. I haven't really ordered anything other than the tree online, and I'm a little girl, you know, walking around London, juggling big heavy bags. My Zara Home bag, when I was in Westfields, exploded today. It exploded and everything fell out, and I had to cram it into my other one. It was an experience. It's rough shopping on your own, having to carry everything. It really is hard, and this stuff is heavy. I carried that whole vase and the whole wreath, and I don't train arms, and I have no plan on ever doing that. But anyway, I do hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, you can give it a huge thumbs up. You can also subscribe to me if you'd like to see more videos, and I will see you all very, very, very soon. Merry Christmas.